You might have eaten pasta alla Norma, but surely not with deep fried coated eggplant, because it's my invention. Hello everyone, I'm Marcus from Culinarisch. Adding this easy to make crispy and flavorful eggplant sticks to a plate of pasta takes it to the next level. So let's get into it. I use Chinese eggplant because the skin is more tender and its flesh is sweeter than the common eggplants. And that makes it suitable for fast cooking or frying. I cut the eggplant first in 3 pieces. Then give each piece a vertical cut in the middle. Because of its slender form, all the sticks will have a side with skin which makes the stick firm and beautiful after frying. Asian eggplants, including Chinese and Japanese, have a seedless and tender flesh which gives you a slightly creamy texture. They are not bitter and don't have much water, so you don't have to soak them. Simply sprinkle some salt on top and set it aside while you are prepping other ingredients. For the pasta sauce, dice an onion. We all know cutting onions is not such an enjoyable experience, but cut off the root end makes you feel even more miserable, so avoid it. Give some horizontal and vertical cut while the root end is intact, and then dice it beautifully. I mashed 2 cloves of garlic, but you can dice it as well if you like to bite on garlic pieces in the food. Cut 400 grams tomato for the sauce. I prefer to use grape tomatoes or cherry tomatoes because they are more tasteful, but any other tomatoes will work. You just have to cut them in smaller pieces if you use tomatoes like Roma. Add 5 to 6 spoons olive oil in a pan and fry the onion and garlic slightly. Then add the tomatoes and let them cook until they are tender. Don't forget to season it with salt and pepper. You don't need other spices for this recipe. Keep it simple. While the sauce is cooking on low heat, we do the batter for the eggplant sticks. You need 200 grams all-purpose flour for those 3 eggplants to be coated. Add 1 teaspoon salt and crack 2 whole eggs inside. I also grate 30 grams parmesan inside the mixture. Parmesan and the eggplant are great together, as we know from Parmigiana. Some turns of freshly ground black pepper. And finally 150 ml tap water. And then mix it until you get this smooth batter. Now, before we add the eggplant sticks into the batter, we dry them gently between some layers of paper towel. And then put them in and get them fully coated with the batter. Heat up 3-liter frying oil to 160 Celsius and add the eggplant sticks one by one into it. When they turn golden, fish them out and put them on a cooling rack. They are crispy and firm. Boil a pot of water with a handful of salt to cook the pasta. I use fresh fettuccine, but you can go for any type of pasta you like, short or long. But make sure to follow the package instruction for cooking time and reduce 2 minutes because you cook it also in the sauce. After the pasta is cooked, I put it in the sauce and add a handful of fresh basil. And don't forget, always add a cup of starchy water to your sauce. It gives flavor, saltiness and creaminess to your pasta. Mix it and your pasta is ready to serve. I put the pasta in the middle of the plate. And arrange the eggplant sticks around it. Then a little bit parmesan and black pepper on top, and that's it. Time to eat. The crispy eggplant stick is such a compliment to the tender texture of the pasta. Its slight sweetness combined with the salty and cheesy flavor of the batter is amazing. You must try it. If you liked the video, give me a thumb up and subscribe. Don't forget to hit that small bell to be notified every time I share a new recipe with you. Thanks for watching.